What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jay Ford and I'm back with another video. Man, so y'all already see the title of this video, so you know I'm excited. Got some good news and the bad news, but obviously you know what the good news is. But the bad news is I still have to wait a while for my wheels. They said it'll be sometime either hopefully late this month or somewhere between mid-August hopefully. So we'll see. But on to the exciting news, man. The exciting news is, man, my lift kit is finally here. As I got it laid out right here, let's take a look at it. This is the FTS 8-inch lift kit. I still got it. I'm gonna leave it wrapped up, man. You can see it right here, man. I got everything laid out, the major components anyway. So this kit didn't come with rear shocks, but the company I ordered it with, they sent me out some max track shocks. But I think I am gonna end up getting Fox shocks in the rear at some point. Maybe some point later on I will get the coilover kit, maybe. I don't know, depending on how it rides. So yeah, they don't send you the rear shocks unless you get the coilover kit or the rear shock kit, which was like an extra $1,900. I was like, yeah, I'm not paying that right now. Yeah, so you got your knuckle right here. As I said, the max track rear shocks. And I didn't pull out the spacer or anything, so I leave those in the box. But I am gonna leave everything like this because I do plan to go ahead and get everything powder coated. Yeah, here's the cross member. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this in here and go take this, go get it powder coated. This kit also came with upper control arms, so that's a good thing. I'm not sure how well these are, but we're gonna see. So we're gonna leave those in there as well. But yeah, I just want to pull out the major components for y'all, show y'all what the lift kit looks like. I decided to go with a 8-inch FTS lift kit because I was gonna go 6-inch, but I was sitting back thinking to myself, like, you know, but at the time I didn't know. I know I haven't told y'all what size wheels I got yet and the tires. Main reason why I went with the 8-inch kit was because, man, I mean, honestly, I wanted to go ahead and do it right the first time because I see a lot of people and I hear about it, and also my cousin told me about it. He kind of been like guiding me through this whole process as well. Since this is my first build and he done built this truck before, but I see a lot of people, they talk about like, dang, I wish I would've went higher. I wish I would've went higher. And like I said, I was gonna go get the 6-inch lift, and I was gonna get a BDS or a rough country lift, but then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get this 8-inch lift kit, you know, just to go ahead and already be sitting up 8 inches instead of 6. I just wanted to go ahead and go 8 inches right off the bat, you know, just go ahead and be done. And then plus, I didn't want to do, I didn't know if I would have to do a lot of trimming, so I just wanted to go ahead and be on the safe side. The lift kit is a spindle lift. Basically, in the front, typically like what you see with the rough country lift kit, and I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe BDS, you get front shocks. I'm not always certain on that, but I know with this FTS lift kit, you keep the factory struts. They try to, you know, keep that factory ride. So, but we'll see how it goes, man. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this thing on. Like I said, just waiting on my wheels, man. Just waiting on the wheels. But man, that's all I have for y'all today. I just wanted to show y'all the lift kit, keep y'all updated on everything, on the progress and where we at right now. So y'all know that right now we're just waiting on the wheels now, man. That's it. That's the last thing. We're going straight to the shop from there. Yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think of lift kit. Let me know what y'all think just in general. Do anybody out there run the FTS lift kit? I like to know how it ride. What's the ride quality like? Everything. Like, I want to know if they had any problems with it. Like I said, this is my first build, so I like to get all the information and know what to expect and everything. So, but man, I'm excited, man. I can't wait. But yeah, man, that's it. I'll catch y'all on the next video, man.